Alright, so let's work on projecting routes. So for the logged in user, we show home. For others, we show these sign up and sign in. So for that, we need to import context. So we need to access the user and token from the context. So import auth context from. So from here, we need to go one step up, two step up, context auth. And to use context, we need to bring in the use context tool. And to start using that one, we can use, we can destructure state and set state from use context auth context. Beautiful. Alright, now let's just quickly console log here. Actually, let me just put the authenticated status in a variable. So const authenticated equals to state. Make sure we have the state and state dot token, and make sure we have token in the state, and that is not equals empty, and state dot user is not equals null, because by default that's the value we use, right? So by default token will be empty string, user will be null. So if that is not true, then we have the user, right? So console.log, let me just write here, authenticated okay. Now we have console logged, and immediately you see authenticated true. Awesome. Now based on this value, true or false, we can decide which screens to show. So here let's use the ternary. Alright, so here let me just cut this one. Actually, let me just cut this one, home. So if authenticated, we show home. So we use ternary here. Authenticated, we use home. Or let me just go down and just cut them and put it here. And now I need to make sure to use fragment because it's more than one item. So that's how we do it. Okay, so if authenticated, we show home. Otherwise, we show sign up and sign in. Perfect. Now we can check this out. At the moment, let's go to screen snap. Actually, we here. Initial route name is sign in, right? Initial route name is sign in. But when they sign in, we take them to home page. Okay, let's try changing this. Oh, actually, we have the logged in user. We need to implement that feature to sign out. That way, we can give it a try. So I think we should do that first. Let's create something, some kind of icon or some header section, so that we can show the sign out icon. When they click on that, we will remove the token and user information from the local storage. So that is a good opportunity for me to show you how you can use the header as well. So you can customize your headers. Just the back arrows showing the title, showing a custom title, things like that. So we will cover quite a lot as well on the header section as well.